Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Ghost Rod of the Depths. This exceptional fishing rod is a prized possession in the game, known for its unique spectral companion. The Rod of the Depths, often called RotD, is a powerful tool for any serious angler. It costs 750,000 in-game currency and significantly boosts your fishing capabilities. Its ghost passive ability makes it truly stand out, offering a distinct advantage during your fishing adventures. To acquire the Rod of the Depths, you must first complete the Vertigo bestiary entirely. Next, gather two specific items, a Hexed Enchant Relic and an Abyssal Enchant Relic. These are crucial for unlocking the path forward. You will also need diving gear, costing at least 15,000 in-game currency, to survive the underwater maze. Once prepared, you can navigate the challenging depths maze to finally purchase this legendary rod. The ghost companion of your Rod of the Depths is incredibly helpful. It automatically provides an additional fish for every 3 successful catches you make. Furthermore, there's a 10% chance this spirit will gift you an enchant relic, which is very valuable. The ghost also interacts with your emotes, displaying unique dialogue and animations. While it cannot reel in secret or limited-time fish, it is capable of catching powerful creatures like the kraken. To truly master the Rod of the Depths, consider enchanting it. The wormhole enchantment is excellent for bestiary completion, allowing your ghost to catch fish from any area. For those focused on earning currency, the abyssal enchantment can significantly increase your profits. If leveling up is your goal, insight or clever enchantments will boost the experience you gain from each catch. Remember, the right enchantment can greatly enhance your ghost's effectiveness and your overall fishing success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.